Two things that solar installers don't like at all. Number one, a delayed sales closure. And number two, spending extra money more than the budget allocated for a solar project. Now, today we're going to talk about how we can avoid these things. Hi, my name is 𝗟𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗓𝗡𝗬 and I am a solar sales and design specialist. And I help solar companies convert more sales in less time. So let's get on to it, on with it. Now, point number one, nobody likes a delayed sales process. But the point is we have to look at why does a delayed sales process happen? Why does a delayed sale closure happen? The main reason for this is because the customer is not completely convinced as to how solar is going to help them, where it is going to be placed. So one component is how it is going to look, where it is going to be. For that, we generally provide hand drawings or CAD layouts or a 2D designing. However, everybody is not capable of imagining things or visualizing things in 2D. One of the best ways to get this done is to create a 3D design for the solar installation and make sure to place every bit of equipment and component that is required, and that will actually be there. For example, solar panels, but of course, along with that, handrails, safety lines, and walkways. If a customer can see all that, they are pretty convinced about how it is going to be, what the generation is going to be, and the sales process, sales closure actually becomes shorter because they don't have any questions or rather doubts in their mind about solar. So this is point number one. Point number two, spending extra money as compared to the allocated budget of the solar project. Now, for this as well, the solution is the same, 3D designing, but the process is different. The 3D designing of a project actually shows you where everything is going to be placed and you can plan your budget accordingly. I'll give you a very small example. Suppose you are setting up a CNI project and the building height is 5 floors. Okay, looking at 2D, you'll never be able to realize what floor it is, how it is. And these are very small things in, say, about 50, 100, 200 kilowatt projects that get, that get lost in the paperwork. Now, if you have a 3D design of the project, okay, a proper 3D design of the project, and you know where the walkway is going to go, where rails are going to go, where the panels are going to go, and when they are going to be hoisted, then you make preparations for that in advance. And that way, you actually save at least 3 times the money. What if in the last moment you realize, oh, I have to take these panels on 5 floors, and your panels have reached the site, then you have to in a hurry arrange a crane or labor or make some arrangements for that, which costs double, triple or quadruple amount of money. So nobody likes to wait for a sale, nobody likes to spend extra money. Avoid that by making sure that you have a complete 3D design of your system and you have planned the installation properly. So remember, better designing gets you a better ROI. See you in the next one.